Now, before starting anything else, I do want to go over this cool camera trick, and you can use this little function universally. Now, what this is it's called lerp. Now, it's called linear interpolation. Now, what it does is you give your current location and you give the location that you want that location to go to, and you want to give it a decimal, 0.1, 0.2, 0.01. And what it will do is that it will very, very, very slowly, it'll very quickly, but then very, very slow, and then it will slow down, and it will reach that destination eventually. But it will, what it will do is it will take the target, it will subtract it by the current position, and it will multiply it by that percentage. And let me go ahead and show you an example. I'm really bad at explaining this. If I wanted to go from 100 to 20, for example, and we wanted to decrease in 10% intervals, what we would want to do is we'd want to do 100 minus 20, we get 80. But then we have to times that by 0.1. And it would subtract that, and we'd get 80, and we would be 80 0.1 8, so we would be at 92. Then we're currently at 92 right now, so we do 92 minus 20 times 10%, and finally we do that, we get 72, we take 10%, 7.2, and we finally go to 84.8, and then it'll decrease slower and slower and slower. So it decreases from 8 to 7.2, then to pretty much 64 or 6.4, and so on and so on. So what you want to do lerp. You want to have your current location, X, Y, and the amount. So we're going to do 0.1. So of course, the more you increase this decimal, it's going to have to be a decimal. The more you increase this decimal, the faster it'll be. But you can see over here, if we move to the right, you can notice a little bit of a delay. So you can see how awesome it is. If we set this to 0.01, and we'll make this a tenth as fast, so you can notice. I'll go ahead and I'll change that back because I personally like 0.1. You can see here it's very, very slowly. It's very smooth though, and you can apply this to animations and to other objects. But it's really cool, guys. You can see here it does make me kind of dizzy with this little effect here, you know. But it's faster and faster and faster and faster, and that's what makes it awesome. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that's my cool camera trick, and thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.